You ready?
Ooh, the kit! A sleep system and a sleep stick. Give it a try. Do you feel like magically falling asleep now?
I have been using this Serenity stick for the last few months now, and my kids love it. It smells amazing. This is one of my favorite products.
Sometimes I get in bed and I'm like, oh no, I forgot to put the Serenity in the diffusers. What I love about this is that my kids can easily just apply this on their own chest. They don't even need me to be filling their diffusers every night for them.
I'm really excited that we are going to finally have Birch as a permanent product. This is something that year after year we've only been able to get in our convention kit. It's such a gift that doTERRA has worked so hard to be able to source this ethically and sustainably.
I love this. This is the Gut Complex.
Okay, let's open it up. Let's try this.
I already tasted it. It's good. I think I like it better.
PB Restore.
I love that it's double encapsulated, so it actually gets to your gut where it's supposed to be, where most probiotics your digestive tract will kill before it even gets to where it needs to be.
So the thing I'm most excited for this year is probably the Shinrin Yoku.
Shinrin Yoku. Say that 5 times fast.
It just reminds me of being in a tropical rainforest somewhere with like the moss on the ground and the trees and the birds singing.
I'm really excited about the toothpaste.
As much as I love all of the cinnamon and spicy things, not everybody does, and so it's really awesome to have that minty, fresh flavor.
Ooh, that's so nice.
I like that a lot.
That is, it just keeps getting better.
Yeah, I think that's my favorite tooth.
Another thing that I'm really excited about is the new Blue Lotus. I like it better than some of the other flower essential oils because it does have that warmer scent.
As always, doTERRA has delivered not only amazing products, but look at this fantastic packaging. I love the spread that we have here.
We've got probiotics, we have a new oil blend, we have Birch, we have a new toothpaste, we have some new sleep products.
I hope that you take this opportunity to get your convention kit right now. So you want to make sure that you get your hands on one as soon as possible because you will not want to miss out on any of these products.